Hello YouTube. Today I am sharing my experience of vertical mobile antenna that I am about to design for my mobile work. This is the design. A simple electrical wire of I suppose 1.5 mm or 1 mm, I'm not sure. I will see the readings. Readings are not 1 square mm. Okay, 1 square mm of electrical wire. This was laying around in the shack, so I used this. No calculated one. And this is a piece of PVC pipe around, let us measure it, 1 feet and 2 inches. 1 feet and 2 inches. And this is PVC conduit pipe used in electricity wiring in the houses, and the length of the pipe is roughly I suppose 7 to 8 feet maybe. Let's measure it also. 7 feet and 2-3 inches. And this is a random length of wire wound around the PVC, and this is to support this pipe, not a special design. This is there to support this pipe, and this is also to support this pipe. This is a loading coil, you can say, and the rest of the wire is wound around this PVC pipe, as you can see. A random length of wire, no calculations, and end of the wire is fixed here with some electric tape, insulation tape. So that is the design, and you can see electrical tape at this end also. This is to secure the winding so it will not unwrap here, and the end is terminated here. Let's see how it works. I'm not sure will it work or not, and I am going to check the performance of this antenna putting it on that chair. Putting it on that chair, and let's see how this matches and how this works. Okay, I put the antenna on the test site HI on the chair with the support of this item, this kitchen item actually, and there are some design on the back side of this, designed by Harmonic, young lady Harmonic. I will show that design also. So the antenna is set on the test site, and we will be testing the performance of this vertical antenna. that is the antenna, and now we are going to check the performance. Okay, these are the designs by Young Lady Harmonic. Say thanks to her for these beautiful designs. So what we are going to do now, we are attaching the coax at this end, and we are going to tap in these windings, and we will check where we get some sweet spot, the minimum SWR. And we are also going to attach a counterpoise to this. I don't know whether it is required or not, but I'm going to do this. So here are our coax cable, and we attached a ugly design actually. We attached a counterpoise to this, the outer braid, some random length, maybe 4 to 5 feet, uh, to think the radio that it is attached on a car or on a vehicle. Just my thinking. And we will also attach this wire to the outer braid, and we also designed some sort of a mechanism to tap through the windings. This is the design. We will attach this wire to the center point, to the center wire, and this is a needle, a big needle, and we are going to uh, uh, set the needle into these windings, and we will check where the lowest SWR we can get, and once we finalize the point, we will solder it there. So this is a very convenient design. You can also try this to tap through the wire. So let's start. So our testing uh, testing prototype is ready, and let's try with attaching the antenna to the radio and giving some RF to it. So let's try setting the needle at some random location with moderate level of pressure. You can crimp through the wire. So that's it. The center pin is crimped via a needle. So let's go to the radio and see uh, how this is matched. So we are in the shack, and let's turn the tuner off and check the power. Okay, keep the power to minimum in case the antenna mismatches. Let's keep it at some 2 volts. 2 watts. And go to SWR checking. Let's key the PTT. Oh, the SWR is very high, more than 3 to 1 in the entire band. Let's tap somewhere else. This is the place where we previously done the tapping. Let's move it some a random place. Oh, sorry. The antenna moved. Let's place the tapping here around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 turns above the previous one. Let's see what happens. Okay, back in the shack again. Let's see. Oh, still not a good SWR. I'm going to move the tapping. Okay, I move the tapping 3 to 4 tons uh, upside. Let's see whether it affects the SWR or not. Negative. Still uh, no sweet spot here. Let's move again the tapping. Okay, the tapping is moved further. Let's check here. Wow, perfect SWR. Perfect. No reflected power at all. HI. Let's increase the power. I think we got the sweet spot here. Let's increase to 30 and test. Okay. I think this is because of the increase in the power. We have to fine tune the tapping. So for let's bring it to full power 100 watts and let's see. Less than 2 to 1 SWR, nearby 1.7 or something. I'm going outside and let's do some fine tuning so we can get a perfect sweet spot, the SWR below 1.5. So stay tuned, I'm going outside. Okay, back again. Move the tapping at one wound above the previous one. So let's see what we got here. Wow, nearly 1.2, less than 1.2 at entire band we can say. The minimum point is 14054, middle is 14114, maximum is 14174. So it is less than 1.2 to 1 at entire bands. Let's try one tap, one wound above this one and see if we can get less than this. Okay, I move the tapping sorry, I move the tapping one rep above the previous one and let's see. Oh, SWR increased, so I think that is our sweet spot. The previous step is our sweet spot. Power is 100 watts, tuner is off, and that is the sweet spots. So I'm going outside and recording where we got our sweet spot. Okay, this is our test location. You can see our very test equipment or tapping equipment, you can say. So this is our current tap, and this is where we got the sweet spot, and these are the previous tappings: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here is our sweet spot where we got less than 1.2 to 1 SWR on the entire band. So let's fix this here, fix this firmly here. Okay, this is the sweet spot location, and now okay, have a overview of this. This is the needle crimped through the sweet spot location, and this wire goes to the center pin, the center wire, and other wire of this antenna goes to the ground, and there is a random counterpoise attached. So that is the testing. Let's try to have a QSO if we can get someone on the band. Victor United 2 Zulu Kilo Charlie. Yankee Charlie. QRZ Victoria United 2 Zulu Kilo Charlie. QRZ. Okay ji, Ketan bhai, good evening. Good evening. Thank you very much for 59. You are also 58 to 59. I am transmitting this on my new mobile antenna. This is my new mobile antenna for 20 meter, and it is putting on a test site between the walls, and I am putting 100 watts. So you are getting 59. Thank you very much for the report. View to YC, view to ZKC. Okay, Ketan ji, okay. So thank you very much for the QSO, and I am recording a video here for the YouTube, and this will go online probably this evening, and I will share the link to you. Thank you very much, and many greetings from my side. I hope the antenna is working perfectly. 7-3 and many greetings. View to YC, view to ZKC, clear. Okay ji, bye bye. Sierra Mexico, something Sierra Mexico again.